Have you ever fought for a 1 rupees change while buying anything? Today I'm going to share a story about Warren Buffett which will help you rethink your money management skills. So this was a time in the evening when Warren Buffett and four of his friends were playing a game of cards. So the game was about to end and one of his friends was drawing the last card. He said, "Let's invest. I'll invest $100 and you guys invest $5 each. If I win, I'll take all the money, and if I lose, you guys take all the money." But here, the probability of him winning was around 99% and losing was just 1%. So three of his friends agreed to invest. They said, "Yeah, like it's just $5. Let's invest. If we win, we'll get $100 and we'll have a profit. And if we lose, it's okay, like it's just $5. It will not matter much." But Warren Buffett was someone who disagreed with this. And he said, "You're asking me to invest $5 where the probability of winning is just 1% for me. I'll not even invest $1 in something where the probability of winning is so less." So, this story helps us to think that the way we look at our 1,000 rupees and managing it, the same way we should look at managing our 1 rupees. So, hope this helps. Thank you.